9.3 Parallel lines and transversals. I can identify and evaluate parallel and transversal lines.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you, Carly. All right, parallel lines. The symbol is two vertical lines. You guys got that?
Yeah.
Parallel lines never intersect. Perpendicular lines form what kind of angles?
Right.
Everywhere?
Yes.
Everywhere. Yep. And then the symbol for perpendicular would be an upside down T. Corresponding angles, angles that have the exact same measurement and are in what kind of position? Similar. And then a transversal does what? Intersects two or more lines, right? Interior, inside, exterior, outside. Let's go down to number 2. Says number 7 says when a transversal crosses what kind of lines here?
Parallel.
Okay, when a transversal crosses parallel lines, special things happen. If a transversal crosses non-parallel lines, not a lot of special things happen.
Yeah.
But if it crosses parallel, special things happen. So we have indicated right here that A and B are what?
Parallel.
Because this symbol means what?
Parallel.
What does this line? Why is this line? Or what is that line?
The transversal.
So that means it's crossing, right? Because A and B are parallel, we know that by using our congruence markers. Everyone say congruence markers.
Congruence markers.
The red congruence markers mean that we have corresponding angles, which means they're equal and in a similar position, right?
Yeah.
The 2 black congruence markers indicate the exact same thing, corresponding angles. And then the 3 green and the 4 blue all represent corresponding angles, right?
Yeah.
If I took this away, if I said A is not parallel, or if I just didn't tell you A was parallel to B, and you looked at this figure here, this entire figure, would you conclude that A is parallel to B?
Yes.
If all of those angles are corresponding, then it has to be true. Number 9. What does this mean, or what did these 2 little red marks mean?
Parallel.
Means line A, line B are parallel, right? Cool. I gave you this measurement right here, right?
Yes.
Were you able to get the other 7 angles?
Yes.
Yeah, the other 7 angles are in black there, right?
Yep.
Excellent. Boys, just wait a second. Mr. Justick, we're in the middle of a video right now. So you guys were able to use vertical angles, corresponding angles, straight angles to justify all of your answers, right?
Yes.
This is 110 because 70 and 110 make a straight angle, and the transversal is a straight angle, right?
Yes.
We know this is 70 because of what? Vertical. We know this is 70 because of what? Corresponding angles, right? We know that this is 70 because of...
Alternating exterior.
No, we don't know anything about that yet. Remember, we haven't got to that part of the video yet. But we know this is 70 because this angle right here corresponds to this angle right here, which is vertical to this angle right there, right?
Yeah.
That's a lot of words, yes or no?
Yes.
So should we eliminate some words?
Yes.
So let's slide down to number 10 and look at some more special rules around transversals and parallel lines. The big key words that we're looking at are alternate interior angles and alternating.
Exterior.
And we already know that X and Y are what?
Parallel.
And we know that Z is the.
Transversal.
And we can conclude now that angle 1 is congruent or equal to angle 8 because of Y.
Alternating exterior angles.
And why is angle 1 and angle 8 on the exterior just one person? Why are angle 1 and angle 8 on the outside? Yes?
Because they're outside of the 2 parallel lines.
So when we talk about exterior angles, we're talking about on the outside of the parallel lines, right?
Yes.
Why are all of these angles interior angles? Okay, and then alternating. The last key word here. We said 1 and 8 are equal because they're alternating exterior angles. We know they're on the outside of the parallels, but what does alternating mean? What are we alternating over?
The transversal.
Say that again.
The transversal.
We're alternating over the...
Transversal.
We're switching over top of the transversal, right?
Yes.
Okay. Angle 5 is congruent to what interior angle?
Angle 4.
Because they're alternating interior angles, right?
Yes.
Questions?